By this year, the contest between Weaviate and Qdrant as leading open source vector databases will likely hinge on whether you favor versatility or raw performance. So first off, the Weaviate. It offers a rich ecosystem with built-in modules for vectorization, native GraphQL support, and seamless handling of multimodal data and complex relationship, making it a strong choice if your application demands semantic layering and knowledge graph capabilities. So, moving on with Qdrant, on the other hand, it excels in lean, high throughput vector search. Its raw score yields lower resource consumption and faster query performance, especially when metadata filtering is essential. While Qdrant's scaling and tool for large clusters may still be evolving, its streamlined architecture makes it very compelling for pure vector workloads. Ultimately, neither wins. Universally, your specific use case, such as complex schema plus embeddings versus speed plus filtering, will decide which is the better fit.